In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all Discord messages at once. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through a method that allows you to quickly remove Discord messages, whether you're clearing messages from a direct message conversation or deleting messages you've posted in a specific server channel. The process is straightforward, and by following along carefully, you'll be able to manage large numbers of messages much more efficiently. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. This method requires using Chrome because you'll be accessing a browser extension that helps manage and remove Discord messages. Once Chrome is open, create a new tab and head over to the Chrome Web Store. Inside the Chrome Web Store, search for an extension called Disk Scrub. When you find it, add it to Chrome. After the extension has been added, click the puzzle-shaped extensions icon in the browser toolbar. Locate Disk Scrub in the list and click the pin icon beside it so the extension remains visible and easy to access whenever you need it. Next, sign in to Discord through your Google Chrome browser. Once you're logged in, navigate to your messages or direct messages. The exact conversation doesn't matter at this stage because you'll be using the extension to choose what you want to remove. Click the Disk Scrub icon in your browser toolbar. This will open the extension interface. If your goal is to delete direct messages, open the menu and switch the mode from channel messages to direct messages. You'll then see a drop-down list containing conversations you've participated in. Select the conversation you want to manage. You can choose one conversation at a time or work through multiple conversations if needed. Before deleting anything, use the search option to see how many messages are available. Once the results appear, adjust the rows per page setting to display as many messages as necessary. Then, select all displayed messages using the Select All checkbox. The extension will show how many messages are selected. Click the trash can icon labeled Delete. Keep both messages and attachments selected, and proceed with the deletion process. This removes the selected messages along with associated attachments and reactions. If you want to remove messages you've posted in a server channel, switch back to channel messages. Select the server, then choose the specific channel you want to review. Open search criteria, set the user filter to yourself, and leave the remaining options unchanged. Run the search to display messages you've posted in that channel. Increase the rows per page value as needed, select all results, and click the delete icon to remove them. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel.